Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio. Well, the other day, I was walking out of my office at work and found this huge black feather, and I decided to look up what it symbolizes. And apparently, feathers are symbols from your angel, at least according to the internet. And this one said that a black feather is a sign of protection from your angel. I thought that was really interesting. But I found this huge black feather, which I've never seen a black feather near my office before, and that it symbolized protection. So I thought I would try to create a watercolor of this feather, and I sketched it in advance. And now I'm using my R2D2 fountain pen to outline it, and I know that it bleeds with water, so I thought this would be a good way to create a black feather without it being completely black, so it'll look a little bit more gray. But I thought it would just be fun to draw this and then hit it with some water and see what happens. So I'm adding a little extra ink because I want to make sure it bleeds really well. Now here's the fun part, adding water and seeing what the ink's going to do. I go through and do this, and then I think I smooth out too much. Should have left it all kind of rough. See how I'm smoothing it out? Thinking about that feather and how smooth it looked, but I like the character of the other better. I decided my feather needed a little bit of color, so I decided to pick purple. Not quite loving it yet. I want more. I want it to look more black. So now I'm taking black watercolor to it. still think the feather's too smooth, so we're going to give it a little bit more texture. I try to add some lines and then I don't like it, so I smooth them out again. But I think it helps a little bit. Just blending those a little bit. And then just some finishing touches, darkening up the lines and stuff. Have you found a feather lately? The different colored feathers symbolize different meanings, and it's really kind of interesting. If you found a feather recently, let me know. Let me know what color. I found a little teeny white one the other day too. Not the same day, a different day. But I always have my eye out now for feathers. See what I can find. So that was a really simple painting, but I hope you liked it. If you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment on it. Let me know what feathers you've found recently. And if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.